In yet another step in line with the Indian Railways cleanliness drive, Swachh Rail, Swachh Bharat, Railways Minister Suresh Prabhu launched Clean My Coach service. He launched the service through video conferencing from Rail Bhavan in the national capital. Clean My Coach was announced by the Railways Minister in his rail budget speech, and now it has been implemented as an immediate action on Rail Budget 2016-2017.
Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu last Friday launched an online Clean My Coach service, which allows travellers to get their compartments cleaned by sending an SMS or by using an app or a designated website. Speaking on the occasion, the Minister of Railways said that as the railways are connected with every citizen of this country, it is all the more necessary for it to maintain a clean environment within its premises. Thus, dustbins have also been put in the non-AC coaches. As per the scheme, for any cleaning requirement in the coach, passenger sends an SMS on a mobile number, which is 58888. Alternatively, the passengers can also use Android app Clean My Coach Indian Railways or the webpage cleanmycoach.com to log in the request. Passengers' request is immediately acknowledged via SMS on mobile phone along with a code. A message is also sent by the server to the mobile number of onboard housekeeping staff travelling on the same train, along with the details of the passenger such as coach number and berth number. OBHS staff contacts the passengers, carries out the cleaning work as per demand. If the passenger is satisfied, he discloses the code received during acknowledgement, and OBHS staff in turn sends the same code through SMS, and the complaint is then treated as closed. If the passenger is not satisfied, he or she does not disclose the code and the complaint is treated as not closed. This scheme has been tried out in 43 divisions across the Indian Railways. With the formal launching of this initiative for rollout on a pan-India basis, trains originating from other 24 divisions will also be covered in the current year. The Railway Minister has said that as the railway operates in open boundaries, and thus it is the equal responsibility of the railway administration as well as the citizens of the country to maintain cleanliness in and around railway premises. He said that foreign tourists who come to see India should take good memories of comfort travelling in Indian trains. According to the Minister, Indian Railways is on the fast track in the field of digitization, cleanliness, passenger amenities, coach designs, mechanized laundries, onboard services and social media. This service, he said, empowers the citizen to get an important service on board and is in line with the objectives of the Digital India program launched by the Prime Minister. Besides, by ensuring cleaning of coaches, same is also contributing to Mission Swachh Bharat, also launched by the Prime Minister.